Yo.
I like to eat. Good morning, Keoni. Bananas.
Yo, good morning. Surprisingly, I have a lot of energy. 6 o'clock, clocking in early at work. Helping Jacques. Jacques is starting to come in early to get them hours in. Shouts out to my boy. I decided to come in so I can probably get like an hour of OT. But I'm feeling good. I'm not feeling too tired. I woke up around like 3 this morning. I went back to bed. Woke up at like 5 and now I'm here. But yeah, I'm feeling good. This is vlog number 7. Oh no. Whoa, I was gonna say 7. It's vlog number 11. And it's May 1st. May 1st is here. Feeling good. It kind of flew by. I was expecting to get a 31st out of April. But we on to the next, baby. We here.
Either clean or do some HIC. I'd rather just fold up some HIC.
You want to pull?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
It's weird because it feels like a regular morning start, you know, because the sun's already rising.
Yeah.
But it's
Are you tired?
no, not really. I mean, getting up at 5 is one thing, but even then, I wasn't really struggling too hard, you know.
Oh yeah.
But when I get home from Melissa.
What up, family? I'm on my lunch break right now. Kind of had to cut it short while I was filming folding with Jacques. Just because since we're dealing with clients, graphics and designs and just property essentially, can't show like graphics that haven't been released and stuff like that. So that's kind of frustrating, kind of had me discouraged a little bit. I'm like, man, should I keep, you know, vlogging and stuff like that? Kind of put me on tilt for a little bit. But it's all good. So I'm chilling. I'm on my lunch break. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. I don't know, but I definitely want to just catch you guys up, especially since it's the first of the month. Kind of need to catch up on things and just like set myself up to succeed this month. So I'll probably talk about things that I went through, kind of like the recap of April. So like, you know, things that I've been dealing with, things that I'm planning on, but we're documenting, you know what I mean? Just documenting the process. And yeah, I was definitely dealing in my mind like, man, like I don't have anything to bring to the table, no like good content. And Jacques was just encouraging me that there's content all around us. So it's up to you whether or not you want to, you know, film and make it happen. And so shouts out to Jacques, my boy, for having me up, keeping me going, keeping me pushing on this vlog journey. Yeah, but I will catch you later after work or back on works, whatever. I'll catch you in a little bit, in a second. So still on my lunch break. Got about like another 10 minutes or so, and just consumed some content. You know, just relaxing and chilling, and watching some videos and feeling pumped to put in some work. I will say this though, like I haven't even been working on my brand Triple Love for like, it's been like a week now since I put in some work probably. Feel super crummy about it, and to be transparent, just like kind of wrestling with like thoughts of, you know, I mean, should I continue doing it? Should I start, you know, a different brand? Things like that. It's been a wrestle for sure. To be transparent, I feel like I've been super out of sync out of sync with God. Like I haven't been pursuing Him as much and just focusing on Him, which I'm sure is one of the main reasons why I'm feeling lost and just not productive, not inspired, not motivated. So once I noticed that, I started being more intentional about putting time in with God, just like spending time with Him, talking to Him, praying to Him, all that. Yeah. And so even as I'm saying this right now, it's like, man, dude, should I continue to put in work towards Triple Love? Like, I really enjoy it. Like, that's another reason why, like, I haven't been vlogging, is because, like, I've just been out of sync. But at the end of the day, like, I love that I can share this in my vlogs because it's real. It's not fabricated. It's like, I want to show the struggle. I want to document the struggle because it's real. And I think it's good to share it because other people are dealing with the same struggle. Makes me, feel a little bit more relatable, real, you know what I mean? I'm not fronting. I've never fronted. When doing these vlogs, I've always shown transparency and desire to keep it like that. I think that's why a lot of my videos is talking, is because I just got to share what's on my mind, and it's documenting at the end of the day. So I'm about to get back to work. I'll probably be able to record a little bit in there. Like I said, it's kind of iffy due to like just sensitive information. Like I can't show out like designs that haven't been released or things like that. But I do want to keep doing the vlogs. I do want to keep pursuing business. Just things I need to, get better at, be a better steward of my gifts and the ideas that have been given to me, that I've had, and just things like that. So I feel like I'm rambling now, so I'll catch you inside, and if not, I'll catch you afterwards. Yeah, I'll get back to you in a second. Just got out of work. It's actually 5 o'clock, so I got an extra hour of overtime before and after, so total of 10 hours today. I am beat, debating if I'm gonna go to the gym or not, but I'm freaking hungry, that's for sure, so I'll catch you guys in a second. Hey, oh, shut up, doggy.
Oh, you're at it again?
What's good, guys? May 2nd, still part of vlog number 11. Back in work again, early, 6 o'clock.
You know what I was thinking?
What you thinking?
Since you do this every morning, I think it would be best or better if it was just live. Because you could go straight from YouTube live.
But who's up at 6 o'clock in the morning?
That's the point, is you're telling them that you're up this early.
That is true. Calling them out. Wake up at 6 o'clock. No, not even wake up at 6 o'clock. I'm waking up at like 4:30, dog.
Yeah. It's like early. It's like real early.
We out here, early boys, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully this guy keeps it up. Cause they ain't got the keys to the shop.
I can keep it up because I don't work past 8 hours.
There you go. Motivation. Gotta get them hours in somehow, some way.
Tagging too.
You wanna do tagging or you wanna clean that?
Let's tag. Cause that way we can have work ready for people when they get here.
6 now. I really wake up at this time. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready and head to work. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. All right, see you in a second. What's up, guys? It's your boy Jocko Moto. We're here for another vlog number 7 on that Jocko Moto show.
Holy.
Good morning, family. It is 6 o'clock in the morning again with your boy. Early bird gets the worm. There we go. So, it's here. I'm gonna finally edit this vlog today. I'm excited. I'm happy. It's been a while since I've done another vlog or put out another vlog. And yeah, so today I obviously am going to be working, but after that I'm going to AAA. I need to go and renew the registration for the Scoot, and I'll introduce you guys to the Scoot because that thing is pimptacular. And so yeah, other than that, gotta pick up some dinner for the family. It's my night to get some dinner for the family. And then what else am I doing? Probably like a young adult ministry dealio, hang out with some friends. You guys say, damn.
What's the vlog about? Is it about waking up early or
I guess so.
grind on? Maybe, you know, waking up at 6 or whatever.
We wake up way earlier than that, dog. We wake up at like 5 at least.
Just get cracking before the dawn, you know?
Yup. Gotta get it going. Hey, I'm gonna give these, hopefully these fit Marky Mark.
Brooks.
Yeah, because he said his feet have been hurting. So I'm just gonna shoot them to him if they fit him. I tell you, man, I love this Joby thing. This tripod is so dope.
Yeah, honestly. I kinda wish I had one right now.
So are we gonna do inks or am I gonna do inks or tagging? Because I was tagging yesterday.
Whatever you think is best.
Damn, Senpai noticed me. And he's about to whip out the pimp mobile.
Yeah, I'm about to hop in the Tesla. They see me out here. Oh! I can be scraping though.
Yeah, the low life.
Yeah, you see me out here.
The low life, dog. Damn. Good family. I am home. I just came home from church. Really good message. Just on it was about grace. Super solid, super good. So I'm feeling really good. So today after work, I went to AAA to try and renew the registration on my Scoot, but that did not work out because their DMV system was like it wasn't working. So I gotta go back on Monday. Hopefully I can make that happen. But other than that, it was a solid day. I'm about to do some work. Other than that, I'll spend some time on Instagram, and then I'll probably spend some time journaling, doing some reading, some more reading. We'll see though. I'm just gonna take it one thing at a time and try to do my best to just do my best at that one thing and then just check that off the list. And that's the only way you can really do it, you know what I mean? You gotta take it one step at a time, one thing at a time. I can definitely get overwhelmed and just like, oh man, there's so many things to do, and there's not enough time in the day. So thankfully, I've just been more focused on God, more intentional with letting Him guide me and asking Him, you know, what do you want me to do next? And just taking it one step at a time, one task at a time, and I feel really good. I feel really solid. I feel like I'm getting back into the swing of things. Yeah, and we'll see where it goes. Just figuring things out, having fun with the vlog. I know as things progress, the vlogs will get better, but I'm happy doing it nonetheless. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to work. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for checking out vlog number 11. It took a couple of days once again to make it happen. Sometimes that's just the way it goes. If you enjoyed it, I hope you did enjoy it. If you didn't, it's all good. It is what it is. But comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Link to the music down below. Comment down below. Smash the like button down below. If you hated it, dislike below. Yeah, guys, love you so much, and thank you for checking out vlog number 11. And next time it'll be vlog number 12. Let's keep it going. All right, love you guys. Peace.